How to change display name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change display name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Changing display name on ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the app, launch the ESPN Fantasy Sports app on your mobile device. Log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your ESPN account. Access account setting. Tap on the gear icon usually located in the top right corner or bottom menu. Select account information. Then tap on account delete. It's located right here. This is where you can change Gmail name including display name. Change your display name. Tap on the current display name to edit it. Enter the new display name you want to use. Save changes. Confirm the changes by tapping save or done. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change display name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.